Welcome to my Pacific Crest Trail highlight series. We start off with the desert experience, and while it was not the most pleasant, it was definitely a highlight for me to push myself through the heat and discomfort.
I would like to take a break in the shade, but there was not a single spot. My shoulders are being crushed by the weight of my pack. Okay, I found a little shady spot, but this must be the most uncomfortable spot to rest ever. I actually have to dig in my feet into the ground so I'm not falling down here. I'm completely exhausted. 2:30 now, I've been here for 6 hours. Slightly bored, to be honest. Too hot to sleep, not enough space to lie down flat. Every minute that passes now it will get a bit colder. That's good. The next water source after this cache is another cache, another road. 24 kilometers from here. That's actually where I originally wanted to sleep tonight. I have to see how my foot is doing. Hiker's box here. Three kilometers left. I'm out of water since an hour now. My mouth is really dry. And it has been a long time since I was craving water like that. Maple and brown sugar instant oatmeal. I'm gonna make 2 of them because I want to lose weight in my backpack and gain weight on my body. People passed me already on the way to the Robin Spring. That's gonna be my destination as well, 14 kilometers from here.
You can imagine how good I felt to reach the first amazing water source.
Guys, I'm so happy right now. Can you hear the sound? Look at that! Woohoo! Nice and cold!
I also really enjoyed the resupplies and cooking sessions along the trail.
I'm gonna do my resupply here in the Vance supermarket. Let's start with the shopping. Tortillas, peanut butter, salami, cheese, mac and cheese, more side dishes. Yeah, I wanted to get some ramen, but it seems like they don't have ramen. I know what, here it is. There we go. Ramen, some more mashed potatoes, energy bars, big pack of gummies. And there's one more thing I need to get here in the supermarket. Let's go. I'm also gonna get my vaccine shot here with BioNTech Pfizer. That's it already.
That's it already?
I didn't feel anything.
Oh, good.
Nice. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
I love these. Look at it. 2 of these mixed up. Cinders of Hanover pretzels, honey mustard onion, tortillas, these, all the mac and cheese and mashed potatoes, and then a bunch of ramen and peanut butter. Look at this spot here with the tree in the shade. I'm gonna stay here. This spot is actually so freaking perfect. I can put my phone and my camera and my water. And this is my bed. I haven't touched my mashed potatoes yet, and I've got a lot of them. So now it's finally the time to do the mashed potatoes. I'm gonna add mac and cheese to it. Let's have a look. That's boiling. That should be done in a minute, the macaroni. I'm gonna add as much as I can from my mashed potatoes and the cheesy sauce. That doesn't look too bad, I would say. Except for the mashed potatoes, it's actually a full cup of food. Maybe that's gonna be enough. Gonna lay down in my tent for a bit now. Throw on the cooker. Mashed potatoes. Using the water from my noodles. Oh, my camera is falling. I wanted to give you some insights on how I prepare my dinners. So I'm gonna usually put 2 packs of ramen, because it's like small packs, so into the 650 milliliter totes. And then instead of just wasting the leftover water, I put that hot water that I usually just drain on the ground, I put it into this little cup here full of mashed potatoes. Now also with some pepper and salt. And I put some of the spices from the ramen in as well, just to have some more taste there. And that way I save a lot of water. It works pretty well. So there you go. I just had a fighter jet passing us here. Super low. Sadly my camera was not set up correctly. I got it this time! Woo!
What buddy guy was? Ron?
Yes! Yes, right.
Wow!
Good memory, dude.
That's what Americans have every week.
And lastly, the hiking community needs to be mentioned as well. A fascinating mix of people makes hiking the PCT even more rewarding.
Mama told me when I was young, sit beside me, my only son and a man, being something love and understand.
Ain't no mountain high enough. There ain't no valley low enough. There ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, babe.
Woohoo!
Left. 2. Oh.
Bye! This guy's actually on a quest to break the record of hiking PCT. The current record is 52 days. Oh, that's so cool that I run into him here. Alright, we have to get running as well. Proper hailstorm here. Actually, the complete next week is supposed to be rainy and haily, I guess. Not sure if ouch! Shit, it hurts, man. Let's get inside.
This is it for the first episode. I will see you in the next one, covering my favorite mountain passes along the Pacific Crest Trail. Thanks for watching. You made it to the end of the video. That's awesome. Thank you so much. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button as well. Leave me some feedback in the comments and also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. A special shout out to my Patreon supporters as well. If you would like to find out how you can support me and receive monthly benefits such as receiving postcards from me or me being your own personal trip planner, then check out the link below.